How to stream on Discord without a black screen. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue when streaming on Discord. This problem is usually caused by hardware acceleration, incorrect screen sharing settings, or outdated graphics drivers. Start by opening the Discord app on your Windows PC or Mac. Click the Settings icon next to your username. Then scroll down and select Voice and Video. Turn off Use our advanced technology to capture your screen if it's enabled in the streaming section. Next, Advanced, and disable Hardware Acceleration. Restart Discord to apply the changes. If you don't see this option, your device may not support this function. If you're streaming a browser or game, try sharing the entire screen instead of a specific application window. Also, make sure your graphics drivers and the Discord app are up to date.
If the issue continues, close Discord and reopen it with Run as Administrator, then start your stream again. That's it. You've successfully fixed the Discord black screen while streaming and can now share your screen without interruptions. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.